Be ready. Start. The wife, opposite party number 1, filed on 24 December 85 case under section 125 CRPC, being miscellaneous case number 149 of 1985 against the petitioner husband, claiming maintenance allowance for herself and her minor son on the ground of neglect and refusal on the part of the petitioner to maintain them. Stop. The opposite party number 1 filed written objection on 26/8/86, admitting that the applicant was his legally married wife and that the minor son for whom the maintenance was claimed by the applicant was born out of the wedlock para. During the pendency of that miscellaneous case, the petitioner filed on 21 December 88 an application under section 3 within bracket B and section 7 of the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, praying for rejection of the application that was filed under section 125 Criminal Procedure Code, alleging that he had divorced his wife on 16 March 88 and that the said divorce was intimated to the applicant by the Muslim Marriage Registrar of Kanksa, and that in view of the said divorce and the pendency of the application under section 125 Criminal Procedure Code, stop. On 19 May 1986, the date on which the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 had come into force, the said application under section 125 is not maintainable. Stop. The applicant under section 125 Criminal Procedure Code opposed the said application of the petitioner on filing a written objection, praying for rejection of that application, denying the alleged divorce and contending inter alia that the application under section 125 was quite maintainable and the applicant was entitled to get maintenance allowance as prayed for. Stop. Upon hearing both parties, the learned magistrate, by order dated 17 January 89, rejected the husband's application under the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986 as he was of the view that it was not maintainable. Stop. The husband petitioner did not challenge this order before higher court and allowed the case under section 125 Criminal Procedure Code to be proceeded with. Stop. Upon consideration of the evidence adduced by the parties during the trial of the miscellaneous case, the learned magistrate, by his judgment dated 1/11/90, allowed the application under section 125 Criminal Procedure Code, directing the petitioner husband to pay maintenance with effect from the date of filing of the case at the rate of rupees 150 per month for the wife herself and at the rate of rupees 125 per month for the minor son till his attainment of majority.